Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel and myself Mr. Abhilash Jadhav. Once again I welcome you to Standard 5th Science where we are studying about one of the violent natural disaster and that is the wildfire. Okay, so dear students, as I said, we are going to learn about one of the natural disaster, and this is nothing but, as you can see behind of me in the picture, and that is the wildfires. These wildfires sometimes also called as the forest fires also. So what are wildfires? Let us discuss first of all that. Wildfires are the large, very big and uncontrolled fire that takes place in the forest. Most of the time they are taking place in the forest. They are uncontrolled, they spread to the wide area of the forest, and that's why only we call them as the wildfires or the forest fires. Wildfires are the fires. The other way also we can define the wildfires, and the way is that this is the way where we can define the wildfires as the wildfires are the forest fires which break out in the forest. Not only in the forest, they may break out in the grasslands also, and they may break out on the hills also, where there are more number of the trees are there in the hilly areas, hilly regions, mountainous regions. There more number of the trees you will find out. So these can break out in the forest, grasslands and hills also. These wildfires also can be called as the forest fires, as they can erupt in the grassland. So grass fires, bush fires, and we can even call them as the hill fires also. Some of the forest fires occurs in the forest because there is so much fuel. For the fire to extinguish, the fuel is required, is needed, and lots of fuel is present in form of the trees, is available in the forest, and that's why most of the time these fires occurs in the forest area. A forest fire may last for several days, and even it can last for several weeks also, because it's spread in the large area and it is not under our control. It becomes very difficult for us to control it, and that's why these forest fires, once it starts, they may last for few days or even for few weeks also, dear students. There are various factors that could predict and contribute to the spread of a forest fires. There are various things are there, various reasons are there behind these forest fires. Okay, so what are the various factors which contribute to this forest fire? These factors are the weather. Okay, most of the time forest fires happens during the summer season, when the temperature increases, so it favors the fire to spread and to catch. So weather plays an important role. Fail, it may be in form of trees, dried grass, dried leaves, dried branches of the trees, and so many other things. So fail. Flammability, what is the capacity or how much how quickly it can spread, and the source of ignition, what is the source from where it has started. So these all factors contribute in the forest fires. Okay, so here we can see the pictures. Trees can act as the fuel. There is the source of ignition. Sometimes maybe the natural reasons, and sometimes maybe the human errors, human mistakes, human we our responsible or unresponsible behavior also can lead to this forest fire. And of course the hot climate is also there. So these all factors contribute in the spread of the fire. So in this part of the video we have studied about what is meant by the wildfires, and these wildfires can also be called as the forest fires, bush fires, grass fires, and the hill fires also, because they can erupt at these places also. And the factors which can contribute in the spread of these fires, wildfires, we have studied in this part of the video. Some more information about wildfires we'll take in the next part of the video. Thank you so much.